Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my beloved student of Minutrate Putra Gresik, especially my beloved student of second grade of ICP. How are you today? I hope you feel happy and healthy today. Okay, everyone, in this time we are going to study mathematics. We will study chapter 14 by the theme division. Still study with me, Miss Endah Trihana. Okay, everyone, to make anything more barokah, don't forget to begin everything with read Al-Fatihah together. Al-Fatihah. Amin. Okay, now please prepare your mathematics book. Okay, everyone. In this chapter, especially in this video, we will learn to divide using grouping and also divide and leave some leftover. Jadi anak-anak, dalam video pembelajaran ini, khususnya di chapter 14 ini, kita akan belajar tentang pembagian dengan cara grouping atau pengelompokan. Dan juga kita belajar pembagian yang mana pembagian tersebut masih ada sisanya. Are you ready to study? Here we go. We begin with the first point, that is division as grouping. Let's learn together. Okay, everyone, now please look at the picture. Number 1, divide 10 marbles into 2 equal groups. Bagilah 10 kelereng ke dalam 2 grup yang sama. These are 10 marbles. Divide means to share equally. Divide artinya adalah membagi sama banyak. There are 10 marbles divided into 2 equal groups. You can see in the picture, every group gets 5 marbles. We can group them into 2 groups of 5. Nah, dari gambar tersebut bisa kalian lihat bahwa ada 2 kelompok kelereng yang mana di setiap kelompok itu terdiri dari 5 kelereng. Jadi, kita bisa mengelompokkannya ke dalam 2 kelompok yang mana masing-masing kelompok memiliki 5 kelereng. Okay, question number 2. There are 12 donuts. Put 4 donuts into each box. How many boxes do you need? Ada 12 donat. Kemudian letakkan 4 donat ke dalam setiap kotak. Berapa banyak kotak yang kalian butuhkan? You may look at the picture. Divide 12 donut into group of 4. Bagilah 12 donat tersebut ke dalam kelompok yang mana di setiap kelompok itu terdiri dari 4 donat. By dividing, we can find the number of groups. Dengan cara membagi, kita bisa menemukan jumlah dari setiap grupnya. Look at the picture. There are 3 groups. Every group has 4 donuts. So, as you see in the picture, we need 3 boxes. Seperti yang bisa kalian amati, 12 donat tersebut dibagi ke dalam 3 boxes, yang mana setiap boxes terdiri dari 4 donat. Question number 3. There are 15 apples. Put 5 apples into each bag. How many bags do you need? These are the apples. Ada 15 apel. Letakkan 5 apel ke dalam setiap tas. Berapa banyak tas yang kalian butuhkan? This is 1 bag. 1 bag consists of 5 apples. So we need 1, 2, and 3 bags. Jadi kita membutuhkan 3 tas. Okay, now the time for you to practice the question. Number 1, what do you see in the picture? Apa yang bisa kalian lihat di gambar tersebut? Good job. Keys. There are 12 keys. Ada 12 kunci. Based on the picture, the first question is, there are blah 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 group of keys. Ada berapa kelompok kunci dari gambar tersebut? Good job. There are 4 groups of keys. Each key chain has blah 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 keys. Setiap satu rantai kunci tersebut memiliki berapa jumlah kunci? Good job. There are 3 keys. Question number 2. There are 18 cherries. You may look at the picture. There are cherries and also cupcake. The question 2A. There are blah 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 groups of cherries and its cupcake has blah 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 cherries. Seperti yang bisa kalian amati dalam gambar tersebut anak-anak, ada 18 cherries dan juga cupcake. Pertanyaannya, ada berapa titik-titik kelompok cherries dan juga berapa cupcake yang memiliki cherry tersebut? Let's count together. There are 9 groups of cherries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Its cupcake has 2 cherries. Ada 9 kelompok cherries yang mana setiap cupcake itu terdiri dari 2 cherries. Okay, question number 3. Mother buys 18 eggs. She uses 3 eggs to bake its cake. How many cakes does she bake? Jadi, ibu membeli 18 telur, yang mana ibu menggunakan 3 telur untuk memanggang setiap roti atau membuat setiap roti. Pertanyaannya, berapa banyak roti yang dibuat oleh ibu? Let's count together. 3 eggs to 1 cake. 1 cake, 2 cake, 3 cakes, 4 cakes, 5 cakes, and the last is 6 cakes. So, mother or she bakes 6 cakes. Okay, let's continue to the second point about any leftover, about division. Apakah dalam pembagian nanti masih ada sisa jumlahnya? Let's begin. Question number 1. Share 7 bears equally between 2 girls. Bagilah 7 boneka beruang di bawah ini kepada 2 anak perempuan. Kira-kira setiap anak perempuan mendapatkan berapa bears atau boneka beruang? Can we share them equally? Dapatkah kita membaginya sama banyak? Let's look at the picture. Let's count first. Each girl gets 3 bears. Setiap anak perempuan mendapatkan 3 boneka beruang. Oh no, there is leftover. Masih ada sisanya ternyata setelah dibagi. There is 1 bear leftover. Ada 1 sisa boneka beruang setelah dibagi oleh 2 anak perempuan. Okay, let's practice. Question number 1. There are 14 pencils. Put 4 pencils into each pack. Ada 14 pensil, letakkan 4 pensil ke dalam setiap pack atau setiap wadah. The question is, there are blah 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 pack of pencil. Ada berapa banyak pack atau berapa banyak wadah pensil? Kemudian pertanyaan yang kedua, there are blah 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 pencil left over. Berapa sisa pensilnya? Let's count. 4 pencil, 1 pack. 2 pack. 3 packs. there are 3 packs of pencils. And then, how many pencils left over? Good job. There are 2 pencils left over. Question number 2. Share 12 sweets equally among 3 boys. How many sweets are left over? Bagilah 20 permen ke 3 anak laki-laki sama banyak. Pertanyaannya, berapa banyak permen yang tersisa? Let's count together. We divide into 3 boys. One boy gets 6 sweets. Second boy gets 6 sweets. And the third boy gets 6 sweets. And the sweet, the left of the sweet are 2. Jadi, setiap anak laki-laki mendapatkan 6 permen dan sisanya adalah 2 permen. Okay boys, now the time for you to do the exercise. Please answer question below on your mathematics notebook. Question number 1. Divide 12 cupcakes into groups of 5. Are there any cupcake left over? Bagilah 12 cupcake ke dalam 5 kelompok. Kemudian pertanyaannya, apakah masih ada sisa cupcakes? Kalian kerjakan di buku tulis, kalian gambar dan juga kalian tulis soalnya. Question number 2. Marian has more than 10 cookies but fewer than 12 cookies. Maria memiliki 10 cookies, lebih dari 10 cookies, tetapi kurang dari 20 cookies. She wants to give 4 cookies to each of her friends. Dia ingin memberikan 4 cookies kepada setiap temannya. And keep 3 cookies for herself. Dan menyisakan 3 cookies untuk dirinya sendiri. Pertanyaannya, what are the possible number of cookies she has at first? Berapa kemungkinan jumlah cookies yang dia miliki pada saat awal sebelum dia membagikan? Please count. You may draw the cookies. Good luck, boys. Thank you so much for all of your nice attention. Keep spirit, keep happy, and also keep healthy. Don't forget to pray 5 times in a day. As I said, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.